Imagine trading crypto without owning any coins, boosting your profits and even winning when the price drops. That's crypto contract trading. Today, we're going to explain what is it, how it works and more. Contract trading is a game changer, but it's not like buying coins on an exchange. Let's break it down. Crypto contracts trading or derivatives trading lets you bet on crypto prices like Bitcoin or Ethereum without owning them. You trade contracts tied to their value, speculating whether the prices will rise or fall. So, how does this work? Here's the deal. You pick a long position if you think the price will go up, or a short position if you think it will drop. For example, buy a Bitcoin contract for $50,000 and if it hits $52,000, you profit. Or sell first and then buy back cheaper if it falls to $48,000. Leverage is key here. It lets you trade big with less money. With 10x leverage, 5,000 controls your 50,000 position. But remember, losses also multiply just as easily. There are three main contract types. First, future contracts, where you agree to buy or sell at a set price on a future date, like in 3 months. Second, perpetual contracts, which are like futures but have no expiration, with fees to keep the price in line with the market. Lastly, option contracts. Option contracts gives you the choice to buy or sell at a set price. It's great for low risk bets. But why try it? I mean, what are the benefits? First, you can profit whether the price rises or falls. Second, including leverage boosts your profit with less cash. Third, it's good for hedging, protecting your crypto from price drops. Plus, it opens up tons of trading strategies. Leverage can wipe out your funds if the prices move against you. Crypto's wild price swings add risk in contract trading. And if your account runs low, your trade might get liquidated. It's also tricky to learn, so take it slow. Try demo accounts and always use stop losses. That's it. Happy trading.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. For any queries, contact us at help@mudrex.com.